here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, a lot to cover. Let's get started. First with live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. The precipitation, the snow from today now long gone, picking up anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches of dry snow now pulling away, and we're left with quiet conditions for now. So not anticipating any additional snow for tonight. It will stay dry. In fact, even the morning commute tomorrow looks fine. The first flakes of snow working in from south to north by around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There may be a little sleet mixed in near the south shore. The heaviest part of the storm as far as the precipitation, the accumulations, would be tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, into early Thursday morning, and then it's out of here by Thursday afternoon. We'll put some specific numbers on this in just a second. Downtown Providence, partly cloudy, 31. The wind is calm. Humidity on the high side right now at 78%. Now, compare the temperatures to this time yesterday, 5, 6, 7 degrees above zero. We're in the upper 20s to low 30s, so at least the temperatures have made a significant comeback, more respectable levels, though still on the chilly side. The snow from this morning now pulling away, kind of a lull, but when we widen out the view, draw your attention to the bottom of your TV set, and this moisture is actually coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, so that is a rich moisture source to feed this developing storm. This is all headed towards southern New England by late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, and with the precipitation probably mostly in the form of snow. Some spots will mix with a little sleet at times, but for this evening and beyond, starting at 10 o'clock tonight, notice things are nice and dry, temperatures dropping to the upper teens. 8 o'clock in the morning, heading out to work, heading out to school, it looks okay. Filtered sunshine through increasing clouds. The clouds are taking over during the afternoon. Now, this is 2 o'clock. Most kids starting to come home from school. It's still dry. So if my kids are watching, do your homework. There's school tomorrow. But notice, very late in the day and towards the early evening hours, you start to get into some of this steadier snow. So the bulk of the snow is tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, up until about, say, 8 o'clock Thursday morning. So for this evening, partly cloudy, chilly but not frigid. 11 o'clock would drop off to 24, and then overnight tonight, clear skies by 5 o'clock in the morning, dropping off to 19. So again, the morning commute looks fine. I mean, watch for a little patchy black ice, some of that slush from today refreezing as temperatures go below freezing. But clouds are on the increase, 22 to 28. Snow arriving, actually snow and sleet, mid to late afternoon, temperatures between 30 and 35 degrees. And then by tomorrow night, really starting to come down. And those spots near the shoreline that mix with sleet, you will change back over to all snow. Here's the situation, though, for tomorrow afternoon. Cloudy. Temperatures in most spots between roughly 30 and 35 degrees. The snow arriving, snow and sleet, mid to late day. Low 30s in our northern suburbs. Out across southeastern Massachusetts, about 34 to 35. The winds out of the northeast starting to pick up. So the storm is close enough to give us substantial precipitation, but not too close so that a lot of warm air would take over. Again, mostly frozen precipitation, so most of it is in the form of snow. This pink zone for a little while will have some sleet mixed in, but even here it will go back over to an all snow situation later tomorrow night. Accumulations, the final ones, won't be realized until 8 o'clock Thursday morning. Most of our viewing area is on the order of 6 to 10. Locally higher amounts north and west of Route 295, slightly lower amounts, but still plenty of snow in the areas in red because sleet may be mixing in. If we do not mix with sleet down here, you'll be in the 6 to 10 inch range as well. So bottom line, a moderate to borderline major snowfall on the way for later tomorrow night, Thursday morning. It's out of here by Thursday afternoon. Friday is quiet. Small accumulations with light snow on Saturday. Nothing really significant, but worth watching at 34. Clearing out on Sunday in a temperature at 31 degrees. So again, starting late tomorrow afternoon, really picking up tomorrow night, and then ending Thursday noontime.
But you know what's so positive about this winter weather? It seems like the sun has been out for the last few days. It's been out, so kind of helping us out to clean up every time we get a snowfall, but it just seems like...
it freezes at
night. And then it freezes at night.
So welcome to southern New England.
Right.
Thanks, Tony. More coverage you can count on coming up later on tonight. New and Eyewitness News at 10. We'll have the very latest.